Yo everyone, how are you doing today? I'm Danny G, today I'm with Savin and Henry, and today we're trying Death Wish coffee, the strongest coffee in the world. So apparently this coffee has 200% more caffeine in it than a normal cup of coffee, and this, my friends, was quite expensive. So let's just hope this video goes well. So on this packet it says to use 2.5 tablespoons per 6 ounces. Now seeing as you use a teaspoon per 6 ounces for a normal cup of coffee, I don't really understand this, but we're gonna give it a go anyway. Alright, let's open this to make sure you know it's legit. Interesting. Do you think that'll work?
Yeah.
No.
This will work.
Oh, wow, I just did it wrong. Oh, smells.
How's it smell? I hate coffee.
Nah,
I don't even know what I'm doing with
I
this.
don't think you've opened
You
it
were
wrong.
worried about losing resell.
I've just made it worse, haven't I?
You just ripped it open.
Way worse.
Oh, I've just ruined it. Oh well, there, it's open now. Smell this.
It's so strong.
So we are back now, each with a cup of Death Wish coffee. And, love you know, we're sticking to the manliness in this video because we have not added sugar or milk. It's a black coffee. And fun fact, none of us like coffee. We literally don't know what's going to happen after we drink this. So, are you boys ready to drink your cup of the strongest coffee in the world?
Let's go.
Woo!
That is actually
Yo.
so bad.
It's hit me already.
To be honest,
It's just that normal coffee, isn't it? Doesn't it?
no.
It tastes burnt.
It's sour. Yeah, it tastes burnt.
We're not eating
Oh,
charcoal.
I kid you not, when we smelled the remainders of the brewing thing, it actually smelled like tobacco for whatever reason.
It tastes like burnt pan scrapings. It's all.
I don't know why I find it so funny when I drink it.
Oh.
I'm gonna make sure I finish this whole cup.
Oh.
Nah.
See, it has no sugar or milk, which just means it tastes terrible anyway.
It's kind of sour. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't really want to drink it, to be honest.
That might win a challenge. It really,
Gross.
it smells and tastes burnt.
But I'm just gonna see if I can finish this. Shall we have a downing race?
No.
Why
Yeah, you
not?
guys can do that.
Okay.
Why do you not want to? Oh, do we want to look like a wimp in front of my 240 subscribers? You have so much less than me, look!
You know what, I've been drinking it faster.
Alright, go. I just started like, I'm not even gonna win this because you had about half less than mine.
Oh.
More than half of yours.
Yeah. Oh.
Double yours and double yours.
I'm so happy it's full.
I don't want
Do you not want to finish it?
There you go, Sam.
Oh,
Man,
Really? That's actually so mad.
you're messed up.
I'll down it.
You're messed up.
Down
in the
it.
head.
No way.
You're messed up.
Really? You think 2 cups? Alright,
One left.
cool. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh, mate, your work. Yeah, finished right there. Look, finished.
Oh.
That's actually not what it literally looks like tar.
Finished. Finished.
I'm crying.
That's disgusting.
How do you like that sound?
This is
Don't.
No, nothing's really hit me that much at the moment.
What are you expecting to happen?
So I was expecting it to like give. I was expecting it to be like. So let's be like a review channel. I give that for black coffee. We'll see that I don't like black coffee, so normally I give black coffee about a 2 out of 5. But for black coffee, it just tastes like pretty much normal black coffee. But alright, so we decided. Oh, pardon me. Alright, so we decided to make this challenge a bit more exciting. So let's each take a teaspoon of Deathwish coffee. Mate, are you alright?
Yeah, but honestly, it keeps coming to me.
How are you barfing so much? Yeah,
Shake
like
it
that.
still in my mouth. It tastes like.
Oh no, this is such a bad idea.
Yeah, it's good. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh!
What's that? Like, with
Mmm! You alright? Ah!
okay. It's my throat.
It's like hot.
I finished. That's all in all.
Oh, it's in my pee.
So guys, that was the Death Wish Coffee challenge. I guess you could call it. I was drinking a cup, taking a teaspoon of it. Wasn't very nice. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a nice thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you for Savin and Henry being man enough to coming and having the strongest coffee in the world. Cheers for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
It's so bad.
Like I was like being man enough to not finish the cup.
How do you feel, Henry? I feel great. Alright, this is. I don't know what this coffee has done to us, but literally these guys are going mad. Savin, how are you? That's right. Do you think I think I need to call the ambulance or 999. Like they're literally going mad. How do you feel?
Feel alright?
How do you feel?
Got a headache and I feel pretty sick, not gonna lie. How do you feel?
I feel alive. In the world. Why are you laughing?
Sorry.
Alright, let's open this to make sure you.
What are you doing?
It's so hard. You doing 2.5?
Yeah.
Damn, okay.
So we are back with each of us have it. So we are back. Oh, what am I saying? So we are back now with each. Oh. So we are back. What am I saying? So we are back.
Now.
So we are back now, each with a cup of coffee.
Sure. Yeah.
How do you feel?
Feel alright?
How do you feel?
Got a headache, not gonna lie. How do you feel?
What?
It's been so long.
Let's just do it.